medyo matarik din siya. Pero syempre sinama lang tayo dito. Ngayon papunta tayo sa may ilog dahil napakainit. Sa ilog tayo maligo kasi sa dagat tayo wala, sunog lang tayo. Dito tignan mo, malilog, maganda. Hindi siya ganun kaputi ang tubig pero pwede na. Dito mo naman. Pwede na sa mga project friendly na ano, liguan. Sa mga nagtitipid pwede to.
Ito kami yung nakaraan.
Huwag muna dyan. Huwag muna dyan, Drian. Parang familiar sa akin yung lugar na.
Wow naman!
Parang naliguan ko na to. Na ano lang. Nice lang.
You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl, I can wait for the day, yeah. I'll wake up next to you, and daydreaming about it. Come on, just take my hand.